Welcome back to TECHATOP, the channel where we bring you clear and honest reviews of the best audio and tech gear. In today's video, we are looking at the top 5 budget integrated amplifiers for 2025. If you are building your first stereo system or upgrading on a budget, these amplifiers from Yamaha, Denon, Marantz, NAD, and Mission deliver impressive sound and great value. Stay tuned as we break down the features, performance, and overall listening experience. Number 5. The Yamaha AS301BL Integrated Stereo Amplifier is a versatile and well-built option for anyone looking to enjoy high-quality sound without unnecessary complexity. With 60 watts per channel at 8 ohms, it delivers enough clean power to drive most bookshelf or floor-standing speakers. The inclusion of both optical and coaxial digital inputs makes it easy to connect to TVs, Blu-ray players, or streamers, while the dedicated phono input adds support for turntables. A subwoofer output and dual speaker terminals expand setup flexibility, allowing you to run 2 sets of speakers or enhance bass with a sub. Yamaha's top art circuit design and RT bass construction reduce distortion and vibration, helping the AS301 maintain clarity and balance across frequencies. The pure direct mode is a standout feature, bypassing unnecessary circuits for the cleanest sound path, while the continuously variable loudness control ensures a rich tonal balance even at low volumes. Build quality is excellent, with a brushed aluminum front panel, sturdy knobs, and a solid internal layout designed for longevity. In use, the AS301 consistently impresses with its full, dynamic presentation. Listeners note strong bass performance and a wide soundstage, with enough power to fill medium to large rooms. It pairs especially well with speakers that benefit from extra punch and control. Compared to compact alternatives like the Fosse A3, the Yamaha offers a bigger, more refined sound with the advantage of built-in digital inputs and a reliable DAC. For those seeking a balance of performance, features, and value, the Yamaha AS301BL stands out as a strong contender in the entry-level hi-fi amplifier category. Number 4. The Denon PMA600NE Stereo Integrated Amplifier is designed to deliver detailed, dynamic, and versatile sound performance in an affordable package. With 70 watts per channel at 4 ohms, it provides enough power to drive a wide range of speakers while maintaining clarity and balance. Denon's advanced high-current single push-pull circuit design allows it to reproduce both high-energy passages and subtle musical details with precision, creating a warm and immersive listening experience. One of its key strengths is connectivity. The PMA600NE includes 2 optical inputs, 1 coaxial input, and a moving magnet phono input for vinyl playback. It also features Bluetooth support, letting you stream music wirelessly from a smartphone or computer. A built-in digital-to-analog converter ensures clean, accurate reproduction of digital sources. For those who prefer an undisturbed analog signal path, analog mode disables the digital circuits and Bluetooth function. Build quality is solid, with a vibration-resistant chassis and a clean, modern design that feels well thought out. Features like Source Direct Mode allow you to bypass tone controls for a purer sound, while the subwoofer output provides flexibility for expanding bass performance. User feedback highlights the PMA600NE's ability to add depth, spaciousness, and clarity compared to older equipment. Many note its warm tonal character that brings instruments and vocals to life, making familiar recordings sound new again. While the remote could be more refined, the overall performance far outweighs minor drawbacks. For anyone seeking a reliable, feature-rich amplifier with a refined sound signature, the Denon PMA600NE is an excellent choice. Number 3. The Marantz PM6007 Integrated Stereo Amplifier is designed for listeners who want detail, depth, and musicality in their system. Delivering 45 watts per channel at 8 ohms, it offers enough power to drive a variety of speakers while maintaining precision and balance. Marantz uses current feedback amplifier technology combined with a high current power supply to ensure wide bandwidth sound reproduction and stability, even with demanding speakers. At the heart of the PM6007 is the AK4490 digital-to-analog converter, capable of handling high-resolution audio up to 192 kHz and 24-bit. It includes 1 coaxial and 2 optical digital inputs, giving flexibility for modern devices, while a dedicated phono input makes it easy to enjoy vinyl records. A subwoofer output with a fixed low-pass cutoff at 150 Hz ensures tight and accurate bass integration. The amplifier is built with quality parts, including a toroidal transformer for efficient power delivery and reduced vibration. Marantz's HDM SA3 technology replaces standard integrated circuits with discrete components to reduce noise and improve dynamic performance. The digital section is housed in a separate shielded enclosure to keep interference away from the analog signal. Listeners consistently describe the PM6007 as a clear step up in separation, soundstage, and presence compared to similar amplifiers. Its ability to combine analog warmth with digital precision makes it an appealing choice for both modern streaming sources and traditional media. The Marantz PM6007 is a well-rounded, high-performing stereo amplifier that delivers lasting value. Number 2. The NAD C328 Integrated Amplifier is a modern stereo solution that blends classic hi-fi performance with digital convenience. Delivering clean and powerful sound, it is equipped with a high-performance 24-bit 192 kHz digital to analog converter. This ensures music is reproduced with accuracy, detail, and low distortion across a wide variety of sources. For vinyl enthusiasts, the built-in moving magnet phono stage offers precise REAA equalization, generous headroom, and very low noise. An advanced circuit suppresses infrasonic noise common to records without sacrificing bass response, making it ideal for enjoying vinyl collections with clarity and control. The NAD C328 also includes Bluetooth connectivity, allowing wireless streaming from smartphones, tablets, or computers. This feature provides seamless access to music services and playlists without needing extra equipment. Despite its modern digital capabilities, the amplifier retains NAD's reputation for simple, intuitive operation, making it suitable for both experienced listeners and newcomers. Build quality is solid with a compact and understated design that fits easily into most systems. Users consistently praise its sound performance, describing it as outstanding for the price and capable of delivering a lifelike musical experience. Some note that the included remote control feels less refined than the rest of the unit, but this is a minor drawback compared to the overall performance. With its balance of analog warmth, digital flexibility, and ease of use, the NAD C328 is an excellent choice for those seeking an integrated amplifier that can adapt to both modern streaming and traditional hi-fi listening. Number 1. The Mission 778X Integrated Amplifier is a modern reimagining of the classic 1980s Mission 778, offering a balance of vintage inspiration and contemporary features. Delivering 65 watts per channel, it is powerful enough for most home listening setups while maintaining a compact half-width design that makes it versatile for smaller spaces such as a desk or media shelf. For vinyl enthusiasts, the built-in moving magnet phono stage is based on a JFET circuit with precise RIAA equalization, ensuring clean, detailed playback from turntables. Digital music lovers benefit from class-leading support for high-resolution files up to 384 kHz PCM and DSD-256. Bluetooth connectivity adds convenience, allowing wireless streaming from smartphones, tablets, or computers. The amplifier also includes a dedicated headphone stage, making it a strong choice for private listening sessions. In terms of sound, users describe the Mission 778X as smooth, refined, and easy to listen to over long sessions. It pairs especially well with efficient speakers such as Klipsch, offering a warm and controlled presentation. Some listeners note that with less efficient models like KEF LS50 Meta or Polk Legend L100, the amplifier can sound somewhat laid back, suggesting that speaker matching is important to achieve the best results. Build quality is solid, with a sturdy and stylish finish that reflects Mission's heritage. Overall, the 778X is an excellent integrated amplifier for those who want a compact yet capable unit that blends analog warmth, digital precision, and everyday convenience. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to TECHATOP for more in-depth tech reviews. Don't forget to ring the bell so you stay updated with all our latest content. Have any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. For more details and product links, check out the description. See you in the next video.